looking good?
I don't know.
Oh, wait, hold on.
It's got what? Good morning. Good morning. Morning, morning. Sears.
Yeah, you brought it with you.
Screwdriver, $25.
It'll warm up though.
Yeah.
Price of that. Someone got their Briar collection out.
Hey, Davey.
Hey.
You finally made it to my house.
Is this your house?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
You've met me before.
Yes, I met you at that
with
like
my mom.
beachy house. Yes, I remember that. Yes. This is a cool one. Look at this one. Wow.
Don't freak out too much. Also, I'm gonna point you at something.
Okay.
And I know how you are.
Okay.
I actually have those labeled as like what I see them sold for.
Okay.
But if you can make some money on them, make me an offer.
Okay.
I thought I was out of the video games until I went and moved stuff around.
And
my
you
parents
found
were
a
over
bunch?
in Napoli.
Really?
In a box in the house that I didn't even know of because there was a whole bunch of other stuff.
Really? Gosh,
So-
that's horrible.
Yeah. The one thing that drove me nuts.
This
first
one has some nostalgic value.
No, it's Tony Hawk.
Ah, dang.
I know. But look at.
Love that game.
You know what's weird about this one?
What?
The sleeve I think is worth more than the game.
Really weird.
Look at that. Just the sleeve.
Huh.
I saw a sold listing on eBay at 28 bucks.
Odd.
I'm like, why?
That is bizarre.
Well, you know, I bet you it's because people throw the darn things away.
Yeah, they do. They just throw that. That's like.
a box from a Nintendo.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
that's awesome.
But anything that you're interested in, make a pile, talk to me. I know you're fair.
Yeah.
You
This. How much are these ones?
No one though.
Huh? I follow his ass.
I know, but I'm
Hold
just
on.
like,
She does
Hold
too.
on. Get my husband out here real quick. Hold on.
Boy. Okay. Oh, Tina, piercing or rings for Jason. How do you know if they're good ones?
They have to be made of
Surgical
titanium.
steel.
Yeah.
I bet he'd want them. Because look, you can clean that right up, and he could sell them in his shop. You don't think so?
I don't know.
I bet he would. No, yeah, I run into people. How much are these body piercing rings?
My pricing was $3 each, 2 for $5.
Okay.
I told someone to give me $100 for all of them. There's
Okay.
like 130 of them.
Let me I'm gonna take a picture. My buddy, well, my sister's husband is the piercing guy at one of the piercing shops up on Flagler Beach, and so
These
he
are-
might want them.
These are all bellies. That the fourth tray down there. There's another tray underneath that stuff.
Okay.
And it's got, I don't know if those are for lips or nose or eyebrows or what they are.
how much for
Yeah,
your
let me
fireworks
just.
glass?
Remember, he's got to sell it. So.
Well, okay, so you're with him.
Yeah, he's with me. He's CVA Thrifts on YouTube.
So I should trust him as well, being fair?
He's more trustworthy than me, honestly.
Is $3? Can you make money off of that?
I don't know. I haven't looked it up.
I'll look it up.
All right, fine.
There's my husband.
Let me. Oh, hey, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Yeah,
How
I
you
think we
doing?
met on FaceTime last time. Remember?
I
Yeah.
remember that. How
Yeah,
you
good to
doing?
see you.
Good to see you too.
Yeah. Well, yeah, cool.
I
Nice
heard him, I
sale.
go, wait a minute.
Yeah, we found you. Well, I saw you said this is.
It's too cold,
Oh
man.
no, hey, great to meet you, man.
Yeah, it's the last one I'm having till fall.
Till fall, I saw that. Yeah. Well, look at the picture. I sent. Yeah, 316L surgical series. They're pretty much. They look like they're all 316L surgical series. If that means anything.
Oh, I got it. There's not for Star Wars glass.
But it's $100 for all of them. I didn't know if you guys can make a profit on that. I don't know what you sell them for.
Oh, yes, mine did too.
Yeah, I mean, like, they're a little dirty, but it wipes off. It's just like someone would have to clean them. Yeah, sterilize them.
Salad.
Might get,
but if-
what's, that's the top number, right?
Let's just keep it then. I would rather be fair to you.
60 is the top number?
It's something she loves.
Yeah, I don't want to be fair
Okay.
to you.
All right, I'll do
I
butter
do
now.
have
All right,
some
bye.
other
There's
monopolies.
Monopoly.
I've got anti-monopolies. I've got monopolies out there in a bin.
Anti-monopoly?
Yeah,
Well, I thought Anton.
anti-monopoly.
Wow, look at all the
I
pins.
think I'm good. I just thought that was all.
I have some more stuff in here. I don't know if you're interested in any of that. Probably not, but you know.
So
Good for
my sister's husband asked if you do 60 on them all. You do that? All right. He said he's got to clean them all
I
and
don't
stuff.
have to deal with them anymore.
Yeah. Well, he'll sell them in his shop. You can go see them there on Flagler Beach.
Okay.
But he's got to clean them and sterilize them. He's
No,
like,
I
it's a lot of
understand.
work. I was like, yeah, I get you. So here's
That
60.
is something that
Yeah.
I had a whole stack of
Where'd you
them.
get them? Like another piercing shop closed down or something?
I guess the
Yeah.
guy, you know, he had a whole bunch. Yeah, it must have been because he had. I'm gonna
Yeah,
say
yeah.
like tattoo stuff and other stuff he was
Yeah.
selling.
Yeah.
I wouldn't get into that because I don't know anything about those. They're sold. But you know, he had it was a big lot.
Yeah.
I paid $100 for the lot, and then
Yeah.
I
Moving
started
stuff, yeah.
off, you know, down in Miami when that was a big thing.
Yeah.
I started off selling them for $5 a piece.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, and he'll probably get 15 a piece once he gets them cleaned up and stuff. So hopefully he makes some money on them too.
Look at those connects and see if
Okay, yeah.
make any kind of offer on it.
All right. Ooh.
I like this one.
Everybody, I don't even know what.
I don't really want to mess with these, but they're not bad. 78, 40.
You have to check them all, right?
They're huge. I'd have to check all the pieces.
Yeah.
No.
That'd be hard to do photos.
70.
Kind of.
To me says the same thing. They hate it.
They seem like too much work for me, but I do.
The only
Yeah,
thing
They're
unless
good.
you just throw them in there and just tell someone not
I
counting.
like, and that would be the only reason that I have it. 'Cause
It was good seeing you again.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna head out.
The connects at all, huh?
I just don't want to look through them and do all the work. I'm lazy.
You put me up to it.
Yeah. Thank you.
What kind of mattress is that?
I don't know. I mean, definitely would need to come back if I was gonna get it. Hey.
How are you?
Good. Is that a full mattress?
It's a queen size.
Queen size.
Queen, okay.
Yep.
I'm supposed to be on the lookout for a full. So I was like, I wonder if that's a full.
Everything that's outside of the box is free. Take it off. Take it off our hands.
What are you taking, an Olaf? Nice. That's cool.
You think you like it? Everything for price?
Yeah.
Really? Well, thank you.
It's a free sale.
Not
It's
bad.
we don't want to move it and
Are
we
you
don't have to haul it off. We're happy.
are you moving?
Yeah.
Where are you headed?
Here in Ormond.
Oh, okay.
Oh, great. Did you think
Yeah.
it's a little light?
Is it ice?
Light, yeah.
Yeah,
it's
we
battery
need to get that
operated.
pouch out here.
Yeah, I mean, it would be for the kids if you wanted to get it for them.
That's what I thought. Yeah. Oh, what's that?
What is that? Oh, that's for the cat to play with.
Yeah, it's a cat toy.
I lost my dog. One of the kids came over to play and they took the ball.
Oh yeah.
So I can add this to my.
I thought you can't get the ball out of it.
Well, they did. They probably pulled it apart. Kids, you know what I mean? The cat's coming.
No escape, Disney. That's cute.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
These
Just as curiosity.
9.
Oh.
Ah, it's tempting.
I have one.
Tebas. Really worn down. Bond condition. Tuh. No. Okay. Thank you. Guess I've got a giant Olaf in my life. Morning, how are you?
Nice rest day.
Well, it's not too cold. It's just right. Zach and Zoe. Ma, look. For your dog. Little boots.
Oh, little boo. How much is the dog stuff? Sir? How much is the dog stuff?
$1.
$1?
Frisbee.
And she just would love to.
She'd love to have some warm feet, right? Metal blade, cuisine art.
There you go, sir.
You need a zip vacuum? A zip vacuum? Cards versus reality.
A lot of stuff. A lot of same stuff.
Someone's buying Target pallets.
You think that's what they're doing?
Looks like it. Organic cotton top sheet. Hair.
On the computer, this is hysterical.
What's it say? Happy 40th birthday.
birthday.
Yeah, I need one of those soon too. Depressing. I'm getting there. Inspiring healthy skin. Follicle beard pen. Oh, Amazon. Cranberry healthy urinary tract.
Stop annoying and barking.
I need that from my dog.
That's an old one. That's how it would be nice to be.
These are all like it's an Amazon seller.
That's a nice cat.
Anything good?
I don't know.
Oh, wait, hold on.
It's got what?
One second, I need mascara. Hold on, Susan.
Hold on,
Lip
Susan.
experiment cream now.
What'd you find? Cards vs. reality.
Skin
Looks
bone.
fun.
It looks like fun, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Earbuds and a shelf. These are vitamins. No.
No vitamins. I saw that beard pen.
No.
Yeah, you know, my beard is already full. You know, I don't need to boost it.
There we go.
I feel like I'm just not vain enough. You know, I'm not vain enough to do it. Maybe I am.
My kids have their little stuff that they have in the car.
Oh, really? What is this? Naturally dispersible turmeric. Yeah, like you said, it's vitamins. A lot of vitamins. Lion's mane mushroom brain booster.
That's good.
Yeah. Gosh.
You want me to hold them?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know.
One more box. Yeah, they're like vitamins and stuff, right?
Yeah. Joint support, Mom.
Yeah, I don't need it.
You don't need it? You have great joints?
No, I got good joint support.
Cranberry.
Calm, sleep, mood.
I might buy like 10 bucks worth. Who's the seller?
I have no
That guy?
idea. Are you the seller?
No, she's not the seller. He just ran inside.
He's over there. The guy did. Prostate.
How much would you sell the rest of the box for?
$1 each.
$1 each, so just count them up.
Yeah.
Some things have 50 cent. Those are 50 cent. Yeah, those would be 50 cents,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I might just make a little stack here. Stuff I want. Do you have a vitamin shop or something?
No, we just do some marketing for Amazon. So we got
Okay.
lots of samples.
Hair
Really?
removal cream.
Oh, that'll be good.
Yeah.
Like social marketing or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Essentially.
How about the lion's mane?
No mask. Hold on, this is like girl stuff.
Yeah, I want the caviar collagen. Yeah. What's that, Mom? Yeah, grab stuff that looks cool in there, Mom, and I'm gonna look around. Put it in my pile. Shoe organizer.
This bag is going to be 10. It's actually a baby.
Purify you.
Is, but I gave you
Can I take the bag?
What else?
Absolutely, yeah. Go right on ahead. Sorry, I took it out for you.
Thank you.
Yes. Just for my family to play. Viking beer helmet.
Did you guys want a bag? Yeah, I need a bag.
$30 free shipping. Probably cost $12 to ship it. $3. Sorry, I'm still making my pile here.
Okay. I'm gonna count this little stuff.
That's the dollar stuff. These two had higher prices, the ones on the bottom. Wow, there's a hairdryer. Looks like a Dyson wannabe.
Yeah.
Alright, we should move on, honestly. This is actually really cool.
What is it?
Oof, I want that. It's something, it gives you a number pad for your Mac, which I do need. How much did I get?
So 21 of these.
Okay. And then 4 brings us to 25. And then this is $5, so 30.
Okay, perfect.
$3 worth of beanies again for this one with the light.
There's 30 for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, cute.
Cool. Yeah, thank you. Good luck with your sale.
To get their products listed on.
So what do you guys think? Amazon marketers? I'm Dave the NC Picker, and you just watched one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely some weird inventory at this sale. I also will make decent money from it. I honestly wanted to buy that whole box of cosmetics and supplements and things like that, but they just weren't kind of hearing of it. They wanted to sell them individually for $1 a piece. Then someone else came over and started grabbing stuff and started stressing me out. So I don't know, I wasn't even thinking clearly by the end. But in the end, we did buy a bunch of stuff and we got some good deals, and I've already sold a lot of the stuff that was in that box for a decent profit. So we made good money at that, and we hit a bunch of other sales and found awesome items there too. What was your favorite find? Let me know in the comments below, and check out this video next where we get even more great finds.